I was once asked in a television interview, who do you think are the three top or the three best foreign ministers that Pakistan has produced? I said the three are, number one, Sir ظفراللہ, number two, ذوالفقار Bhutto, number three, Agha Shahi Sahab. And the reason I said was that these were people, brilliant people, who could conceive ideas and who could put those ideas on paper, write their own speeches. They didn't need file work. And Sir ظفراللہ played a very leading role because India had Krishna Menon, and he was from Pakistan's side. The way he used to debate with facts, arguments, logic, wisdom and sense of history on the Kashmir issue and on the global situation. And Pakistan then, we were a new country. We had just emerged on the global map. We were the voice of the oppressed. We spoke up for Africa. We spoke up for Eritrea. We spoke up for Algeria, for Morocco, for Tunisia. We provided them diplomatic passports. And it was one person leading the crusade and with a very good team. So I think this is something that Pakistan should not forget. And that is why Quaid-e-Azam had appointed him in the first cabinet of Pakistan.